Hey y'all, welcome to the Houston Gardening Novice channel. I'm a newbie gardener here in Houston, Texas, Zone 9B. Half the time I don't know what I'm doing, but I enjoy trying things out and figuring out what works for me. I hope you can join me in my gardening journey as I slowly work on building my backyard sanctuary. So I have these Muscadine grapes. I just got them a couple of weeks ago and I need to go ahead and plant them. So this is a Ruby Crisp and this is a Late Fry Plus. So I ordered them because I want to swap out my table grapes. In this container I have the red Catawba and then I have a Niagara white on in another container. So the table grapes are not good for my zone, and I planned on swapping them out with the muscadines. The muscadines do better in my zone. I'm in zone 9B. So I want to go ahead and take this one out and plant one of these in this pot and then plant the second one in the second container. So let's go ahead and get that done. Okay, I finished the first one. So now I'll go ahead and plant the second one, the Ruby Crisp. I'll plant it in this pot right here. I'll be taking out this Niagara White that's been growing here. That's how it looks like. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm done with both of them. This is the Ruby Crisp. This one is smaller than the first one. So I've pruned out all the side branching. So this will be trained up, and once it gets up, it will go into a Y. So that's the first one. And these are 2-year-old bare roots. The other one is back here. This other one was, they had the longer one, so I bought that. So this is the lead fry. The lead fry, I think, is the green, it's a green muscadine. The Ruby Crisp is a red one. And these are both self-fertile varieties, so they don't need another muscadine to fertilize them. Anyway, so this is the lead fry plus. This was long enough, so it's already gone into the Y. I pruned out all the extra shoots, so all the energy should be concentrated on this main vine here. And I'll train it along the this wire trellis system here. So that's the old one. Okay, I'll keep an eye on this during the winter. If any day goes below freezing, I'll cover it with plastic, hoping they make it through. I might have planted them too early in the season, but I'll just keep an eye on them and hopefully they make it through. All right, I'll stop this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you all on the next one. Thank you. Bye.